So I've been seeing more and more people talk about how you should stop relying on Amazon because you have no control and how you should start selling your books on your own website. Videos like this one and this one that are getting a lot of views. And as someone who's been doing Amazon KDP for over 8 years and became a self-made millionaire from doing this business, I honestly think, with all due respect, this is one of the worst advice ever.
Now, I'm one of those who made millions, basically over 8 figures, using my own websites and without using Amazon. So I'm interested to add more revenue through Amazon. But the problem is, just like you, I have an existing business. And probably you also have a business or have a 9-to-5 day job. So you are also busy. We can go on and keep watching all these amazing videos showing off how much money they made from Amazon, with Amazon and without Amazon. But we don't have time to watch these 10 to 20 minutes long videos. We need automation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use AI to do everything, start from the end, and basically help me earn push button money, completely passive income through Amazon KDP. So step number 1, before I go into a marketplace, I want to see how many people are actually buying, how many people are selling, what's the number of sales, number of reviews and ratings look like. It's amazing. But again, choosing a niche is a big problem. For me, it's a bit easy. I love to hang out with kids and I love to tell stories to kids, and my kids love to hear bedtime stories and all. So I went to categories and I chose children's books. And here we are, thousands of sales. Tons of them have just a story, images, looks like they are doable. So I came to deepseek.com. If you don't know deepseek.com, you're definitely living under a rock. DeepSeek is literally murdering ChatGPT right now. And it's 100% free to use. You don't have to spend even $20. And if you're not using, what are you doing? Okay, let's get back to work. I said, just like a regular person who has absolutely no idea about AI, my plan is to launch a kids books publishing business on Amazon KDP. But I want to first build an AI agent for the job and then run the whole operation using AI agent. Give me step-by-step action plan to do it. And I got step-by-step action plan. Now, this video is not to give you the action plan because you can also know it from AI. We are here to make money fast. I'm gonna show you the pathway to make money fast. So I got the steps and I understood this is perfect. But my problem is, it's not exactly saying how to build an AI agent that will do all the job for me, starting from research to publishing and even marketing. So I asked again, how can I build an AI agent that will do all the above steps and perform the business completely hands-free? Now it's going a little deeper and a little technical. But the good thing is, now I know the technical terms required to make it happen. Yes, it is complex, but achievable goal. It requires multiple AI tools, automating workflows, and setting up systems for decision-making and quality control. Isn't this decision-making one of the biggest challenges for us? We have all these videos, all the different methods of making money in front of us. How many of us actually take action on any of them? Even if we tried, for how long do we try? How many times do we try? The numbers are very low. It's because we fail to decide whether we want to do it or not, whether it's going to make money for us or not, whether we like it or not. There are lots of whethers and lots of ifs that stop us from taking a decision. From my experience, quality control is another issue for a lot of us. We want to do something perfect. A perfect book, a perfect product, a perfect marketing, a perfect video, a perfect article. So instead of being perfect, if the quality control and decision making is done by AI and just publish fast, make money fast, that would be a great win. So I loved this approach and I went through all the list of tasks, priority tasks, choosing the right AI tools, then ultimately develop the AI agent's workflow, finally building an AI agent, test and iterate, then finally scale the operation and make a lot of money. But always remember, you have to ensure compliance and quality. And that is only possible when you monitor the whole operation, either manually yourself or have a team to monitor the process. Otherwise, AI will take control and we will lose control over the business. We got name of all the tools for development, automation, design, market research, marketing, analysis. Example, workflow. Now, this is complete information, but not enough for me a pretty much non-technical person, to build an automated AI agent. So, okay, this sounds rocket science to me. Can you help me and give me ideas, plan for the AI agent? Now AI told me absolutely. If building an AI agent from scratch feels overwhelming, don't worry, there are simpler ways to achieve your goal without diving deep into coding or complex AI development. Let's break it down into a beginner-friendly plan that leverages existing tools and platforms to create a semi-automated system. Over time, you can make it more advanced as you gain experience. That sounds cool to me. So step number 1, define your core tasks. Content creation, book marketing, etc., etc. It's a lot. And I don't know which step to start first. It even gave me an example timeline, like week 1 to 2, we're going to do research and set up tools. But unfortunately, when I checked up, I couldn't find a recommendation for a research tool. Well, without research, we can't decide what type of book, which content, which image we are going to make. So this is another example that you cannot really leave everything to AI. It's your business. You must learn the basics using or without using AI, but you have to keep a keen eye on the actions of AI so you don't have to pay for the mistakes. Okay, now I got a lot of information and I like it a lot, but I said, hey, now I need another tool which will use a search engine to search for tools and their APIs to integrate and make a real business plan for me. So I went to Perplexity. Now, Perplexity AI is not for everyone. It's for those who want to go deep into research, put things together in real time, taking information from the internet. So I said, write a prompt for me to use in Perplexity to help me build the AI agent with complete reference of APIs, systems, and processes. Now, DeepSeek wrote me a complete prompt. This whole thing is one prompt. I copied and pasted this prompt on Perplexity and I got a complete answer. But again, market research was missing. So I said, what are the best APIs for market research? And I found the best APIs for different kind of market research. But this was not specific. So I asked, what are the best APIs for Amazon KDP market research? And I'm getting the answer. Perplexity is looking for the answers. And here we go. Helium 10 API Suite, Google Books API, and some other APIs. Let me read some interesting ones for you. Black Box helps identify profitable book niches with low competition using filters like keyword search volume, categories, price range, and review count. This is great. Isn't this what we look for? X-Ray provides quick overviews of products and competitors in your chosen KDP niche, helping you avoid oversaturation market profits, track your KDP book sales and overall business performance, and so on and so forth. Now, once I automate research, it will give me names, story ideas, book cover ideas, and marketing ideas. I forgot to mention pricing ideas. When I can decide all these, money is just putting all this together in one place. And that will be done by AI as well. And in every step, there are some APIs that will do the automation, generation, tracking, and suggest improvement. Now, if we quickly review what we have done so far, we watched a video on YouTube and got confused. And also got greedy as we want to make money as well. But we don't have time to watch all these videos. So we landed on a free and the most powerful AI, deepseek.com, and asked a simple question. Hey, how I can create an AI agent that will completely automatically make me money, doing every step all by itself? Isn't this the ultimate passive income dream? And I got an idea, but it sounded like rocket science to me. So I said, hey, please tell me straight to the point. How can I create an AI agent? Now I got some clearer ideas with tools, steps, action plans, but it all sounded like rocket science to me. So I said, give me a better, more clearer plan. And I got a clearer plan. And I realized I need help of another AI application that will do deeper research and find solid technical information from the internet. So I asked DeepSeek to write a prompt for this AI tool. And wow, the prompt was good, but it wasn't great. It was missing an important information. Research. Without research, we can't decide what we are going to do. So I had to go through and realized what's missing. I asked for that information, but it was too broad. So I got broader answer. That wasn't what I was looking for. So I asked a specific question and then only I got specific answer. Now guys, this is amazing. Now I'm just going to go step by step, watch a couple more videos and make my AI agent to completely automate the whole business. But tell me something, but hey, this is my business. I make money online. I have a team for that. I know who to hire. I know who to talk to when I'm in trouble. What about you? Do you have all this knowledge, experience, and most importantly, time to go back and forth with AI, with YouTube, with websites, with other people, and then finally build a passive income system? If not, then here is where you can start. You can start with our program. Our program members get all the technical work completely done for you. Andy Nasser has his own business. He doesn't have time for digital marketing. So we set up the whole technical stuff for him and he earns $635 in passive affiliate commission. On the same day, Usman, who lives in Turkey and has a 9-to-5 day job and also loves to travel, earned $947 in affiliate commission. Nathan is completely busy with his 9-to-5 day job, but he has a little time to spend. So he spends half an hour to 45 minutes every day on this simple business. And recently he earned a $300 commission. It was easy for him because all the technical work was done for you. The other day he earned another $200 commission. The day before he earned another $300 commission. Alvin lives in Nigeria. The day he earned $500 commission, he was sleeping when I sent him the message congratulating him for this $500 commission, and he was surprised. What happened? How did it even happen? Petra lives in South Africa. She's a busy mom and a retired professor, earned $500 commission. A couple of days back she earned another $200 commission. Now I can go on and show you all the successes of our students. All these students and members joined our program as a complete beginner without a single idea of what digital marketing is, how to use AI, what is digital product, what is affiliate marketing, absolutely nothing. But they didn't find any challenge making money because the technical work is done for you. They did not have to go through all this back and forth discussion with AI, finding out APIs, going through hundreds of YouTube videos to learn from. And this whole system is presented in one single video, and the video is free to watch. I'll put the link to the video in the description below. Go watch the video, understand the full thing about what we do and how we help beginners step by step earn commissions like this. And there is no limit how much you can earn. This is built for the busy people who have a 9-to-5 day job or have an existing business, who don't have a lot of time to spend on learning, doing things themselves. So what I recommend is go and watch the video. Link is in the description. It's completely free to watch, and at the end of the video you will learn about our program. And if you think this is the best of the best program for you to start right now, then join the program. But if after watching this video training you still have questions, I have a good news for you. We built an AI agent to answer all your questions. This AI agent will chat with you and answer just like me. So have a chat with this AI agent, have some fun, ask questions and get your answers. But if you're not happy and you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram by clicking here or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Nothing should be able to stop you from watching this free video. Link is in the description. Go watch it right now and start making those juicy $500 commissions. Did you like this video? Was it helpful? If yes, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube can notify you when we will upload our next video. To learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.